2020 seems to be an eventful year for the Chinese and the rest of the world. The pandemic, floods in China's south, drought in China's north, Chinese ancient books have forecasted all of these. Chinese people know that such natural disasters occur simultaneously when China is about to enter another dynasty. Is it that time again? The Yellow Emperor Mother Earth book, Huangdi Di Mu Jing, which is a part of Tung Shin, a Chinese divination guide and almanac, predicts floods, landslides, droughts, and famine in China in 2020. It has also predicted more unnatural deaths in the 3 months in winter. The pandemic will be resolved in 2021, according to the book, but the population will be greatly reduced. Those who survive feel quite relieved. Just when the pandemic fades out for people, the livestock will be hit by another epidemic. Another ancient book, Journal in Confucius Pillow, has similar projections. Legend says that the book was found in Confucius' pillow, hence the name. The book has predicted pandemic, wars or coups, floods, and pests. Let's take a look at current situation in China. Beijing is seeing a pandemic resurgence. Since mid-June, Beijing is seeing another wave of COVID-19. Beijing Communist Party Secretary Cai Qi, also the chair of the city's coronavirus outbreak prevention and control committee, organized 3 pandemic control meetings on June 12th and 13th. Beijing has entered an extraordinary period, he announced. The State Council of the Chinese Communist Party also called for a meeting on June the 14th to investigate the source of this outbreak and discuss how to control its spread. Chinese media reports that at least 10 premises and cities have warned their citizens not to travel to Beijing. Flooding in China's south. China's Ministry of Water Resources announced on June the 11th that China is entering the flooding season. Water levels in 148 rivers have reached hazardous levels. The Yangtze River and Pearl River basins in the southern region recorded the most severe flooding. Chinese state-owned media has reported flooding in 11 southern provinces. Over 5.8 million people have been affected. Chinese netizens have posted various videos showing streets covered and cars flushed away by the flood. The Chinese government says that the 3 flood risks include above threshold flood, reservoir accidents, and mud torrent. Heat wave, drought, and hail in China's north. At the same time as floods in the south, China's north has seen long-lasting high temperatures. These places include the northeastern area, Inner Mongolia, North China, Shanxi, Henan, and Anhui provinces. Temperatures in some localities are over 40 Celsius degree or 104 Fahrenheit. There has been a lot of rainfall in China's north. Beijing has experienced gusty winds, sometimes accompanied by hails, lightning, and thunder. Locusts in northeastern China. Locusts have appeared in Jilin, Hunan, and Heilongjiang provinces. The Agriculture and Rural Bureau in Jilin City, Jilin Province, announced on June the 5th that until June the 4th, locusts appeared in about 13.4 hectares, or 134,000 square meters. The highest density discovered so far has been 50 locusts per square meter. As it becomes hotter, more locusts will emerge. According to the Chinese official statistics, the agriculture output in the 3 northeastern provinces, Jilin, Liaoning, and Heilongjiang provinces, totals at 133 billion kilograms, about 20% of the total national output. Therefore, if a locust disaster breaks out in the 3 northeastern provinces, the Chinese will have to suffer from famine. In addition to the domestic locusts, those from Africa may also enter China via Tibet, Yunnan Province, or Xinjiang Province in the month of June, according to an urgent March announcement by the National Forestry and Grassland Administration.